Hi, it's me again with Corel Doll Tips and Tricks. And somebody is trying to create this frame with these edges going like stair step and then put a picture in it. There's, you can slope in the corners, you can round the corners, and you can chamfer the corners. But there's really no way to step the corners like this. So what I kind of came up with, and I'd be willing to bet there's 10 different ways to do this, but this might be the easiest. They mentioned 1/2 inch, 11 by 14 and a half inch, or 1 inch blocks, 1 inch steps. And if you put, here's a good little trick I always do. T for the top, L for the left side. So there's basically one of your steps. But then if we set our nudge factor on 1/2 inch and we hit the plus key, we go up and over, plus key up and down. There's our steps. Now you can do this, plus key, move them over, and actually mirror them till you get to that other side. You could actually save a few steps now that you've got 2 of them made. Move them down a little bit. Whoop. It would help to make a duplicate. Hit the plus key on your keyboard, mirror them the other way, and you've got your steps. Now, you could do it a number of ways, but this will be the quickest. Take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. There's your steps. Let's left click, right click, effects, contour, 1/2 inch steps twice. And there's your steps. And then they mentioned that they needed the center one thicker. I don't know if they're going to cut that out. I drew that and I put the picture, and they just kind of sent me an email. Object, break the contour apart, select it all, object, group, and ungroup. And then you can select that center one, go and make it as thick as you want, and contour the other ones. I don't know if they're cutting out the inside. That would be pretty cool if you were going to cut that out. Make that one a hairline, make it red for a cut. And maybe they're going to cut the outside out. I don't know. But anyway, that's how I would do it. I'd be curious if anybody could come up with a better way. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.